Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking essentials, driver, adapter model, and a fallback link such as Ethernet. Why? Because inconsistent drivers cause spikes and disconnects. Open Device Manager. Note the exact adapter name and driver date. Once done, disable power saving and Wi-Fi roaming in advanced adapter properties so the card won't suspend or switch aggressively. Make sure to save screenshots or JOT versions. You'll need them for clean driver reinstalls or to compare behavior after changes. Next, you remove and replace the driver to eliminate corruption. Uninstall the adapter and check Remove Driver software, then reboot. This forces a clean driver reload. Install the OEM-supplied, signed driver rather than an old generic one. Drivers fix timing and buffer handling, reducing pings. Once installed, tune adapter settings. Prefer 5 GHz if possible, set channel width to a stable value, and disable 20/40 MHz coexistence when nearby networks cause contention. Test with a quick ping flood. To finish, validate the network side. Update router firmware, pick a clearer channel, and set co-S limits if needed. These reduce contention that spikes ping. Then compare, connect via Ethernet. If stable, the adapter remains the suspect. Run sustained ping tests and save logs for patterns. If issues persist, switch USB ports or PCI slots or try another adapter to isolate hardware faults. Quick troubleshooting tip. If random drops continue, enable driver logging and check event, viewer for power or drive-related errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.